All right, here's a full-sized classic for you. 1973 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron. Quite the four-door hardtop. Now, as far as paint on this, honey gold would be the official Chrysler paint name for it back in 73, and much of the paint appears that it could be original on this car yet. Interior gold leather, split bench seat up front, gold vinyl top. Those also appear to be original. Underneath the hood, 440 V8, and that is paired with a 727 torque flight. So you got a 3-speed automatic transmission in it. Now, if you want to check out the still picture so you can see the underside of the hood, check out that engine bay, the interior, check out the bottom of this car. A lot of underside shots of that too. Check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look up and down this car. I mean, like I said, the paint, a lot of it appears that it could be original. So, I mean, there are dings, chips, small imperfections kind of throughout. But you can see how straight it is up and down. And I did notice if you look down around the bottom of the driver's rear fender, there was a little bit of bubbling, and there's some kind of back by the vinyl top. I'll show you in a second too. All right. Again, interior appears to be original. Gold leather, split bench up front. Of course, a lot of the goodies and a lot of the options you would have got on a 73 Imperial. All right, here's where that top, the vinyl top, showing its age a little bit. And again, it appears that that could also be original. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few miscellaneous things are going to go with this also. It has had a carburetor put on it, Edelbrock. I'll throw those boxes in the trunk, and then as well as the air cleaner. And there's, in that box, some 8-tracks, the bumper guards, a couple valve covers, some miscellaneous belts. Those will go along with the car. Once again, pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Here's that spot what I mentioned behind the driver's side rear fender. There's a little bubbling down there that you can see. All right, let's go ahead, pop this door open, check out the interior. We'll start it up, check out the engine bay. Again, everything looks pretty much stock. The way what it came in here, of course, power windows, controls here, power locks. All right, let's fire this up. The odometer reads 287. Really tough to confirm or deny miles. Once a vehicle becomes so old it doesn't stay on the title anymore. So I did start. This thing runs extremely smooth. But another car pulling behind us, you got a little rumble from that, but appears the gas gauge works. I had the radio working earlier, wipers, all of that working. Notice the clock was not though. All right. A little closer look at the seats front and back there. I haven't really noticed much for rips or tears or anything like that. Pretty much typical wear you'd see in a vehicle this vintage. All right, slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust. I want to show you that one other spot on the vinyl roof on this side too. Sounds good. Appear to smoke or anything. Here's had a little bit of bubbling here too with that vinyl. Roof comes down. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood so you can check out the engine bay. Get a good look at that. All right, hood popped. FYI, the compressor on the AC does kick on and off on this one. That was working. Did not look like it had converted though. There's we got a different valve cover, full valve cover on there, a little different air cleaner. You can see and hear how smooth that runs. Good. Smooth running 440 underneath there. Like I said, power steering, power brakes. There you go, one full-size classic 1973 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron, 4-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.